Hello and welcome to Spot On. In today's video, we are going to have a look at the Porsche Charging Planner. My name is Sabine and I'm going to show you how you can improve your charging performance and overall travel time for long distance routes by using the Charging Planner. The Charging Planner assists you by automatically scheduling charging stops along the route, taking traffic, driving and charging time into consideration. In addition, battery preconditioning is performed to ensure proper battery temperature for high-performance charging. To use the Charging Planner, you need active Connect services and active charging services. To activate the Charging Planner, tap on Navigation, go to Options in the lower right corner and select Charge Planning. Make sure that the Porsche Charging Planner is active. In this menu, further important settings regarding the Charging Planner can be made. Porsche charging service stations can be prioritized by ticking the checkbox. If you can charge at your destination, you can set the minimum charge at the destination manually low. Thereby, you benefit from reduced travel and charging time. As this setting is automatically saved, keep in mind to adjust it according to your next route. Now, let's calculate a route to have a closer look at the route monitor. The route monitor displays all required charging stops and the corresponding charging times. The battery level is displayed in percentage next to the arrival time. To gather further information, simply tap on the charging station symbol. If the Charging Planner is active and a charging stopover is planned, battery preconditioning is performed automatically while driving. It heats up or cools down the battery to provide optimal battery temperature for high-performance charging. The charging power of the selected stations and the corresponding charging times are considered. This means that stations with higher power can be preferred, even though they might be not directly on the route. Therefore, the overall travel time can be reduced further. You can add charging stations as a stopover or as your final destination. One way to do it is to simply tap on the charging station symbol in the map, select it, and then you can choose between adding it as a stopover or replace destination. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun using the Porsche Charging Planner for your next route.